Hello friends, fellow model enthusiasts, and curious minds. Welcome to the Plastic Imagination Workshop. I'm David, and today we're doing something a little different and taking a deep dive into the world of scale models and transferable skills. So, what is a transferable skill, you may ask? Well, transferable skills, also known as portable skills or soft skills, are abilities and qualities that can be applied across various jobs, industries, or situations. And what does this have to do with building scale models? Well, that's what we're going to explore in this episode. So prepare to be amazed as we uncover the real-world benefits you can gain from building scale models. Before we get started, I'd like to take a moment and thank all of my current subscribers for continuing to support the channel. This community of model builders and content creators is an awesome group of talented and supportive people, and I am very glad to be a part of it. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and please take a moment to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. It helps out the channel and I'd really appreciate it. Also, be sure to check out my store and pick up some scale model themed gear to show your support of the hobby. There are many designs to choose from, and they're all scale model themed and designed by me, a scale modeler. Okay, time to get started. Part 1. Precision engineering and attention to detail. The first remarkable benefit of building scale models lies in the precision engineering and attention to detail it demands. As you meticulously assemble these tiny components, you cultivate a keen eye for accuracy and develop an appreciation for the intricacies of the real world. This skill extends beyond the workbench, influencing your daily life by making you more attentive to detail and fostering a mindset of striving for excellence. And remember, it's not about achieving absolute perfection, but rather finding joy and a sense of accomplishment in your work. Additionally, it's important not to worry about external judgments. The only person you need to impress is yourself. Part 2. Patience and persistence. Patience, as they say, is a virtue, and scale model building serves as an ultimate test of this quality. As you carefully glue, paint, and assemble each component, you nurture patience and persistence. In a world accustomed to instant gratification, this hobby teaches the value of gradual progress and that sweet satisfaction that comes with completing a model kit. This newly acquired patience doesn't remain confined to your modeling endeavors. It permeates other aspects of your life, making challenges more approachable and manageable. Part 3. Historical and technical learning. Whoever said learning can't be fun? When you immerse yourself into the world of scale modeling, you're not just crafting intricate models. You're delving into history and technology connected to each creation. Whether it's an iconic World War II airplane or a vintage top fuel dragster, you'll uncover fascinating stories, intriguing facts, and knowledge that enriches you. This hands-on journey allows you to delve into the past and grasp the inner workings of these marvels. And speaking of history, consider this. Crafting and building scale models is among the oldest hobbies in existence. People have been downsizing buildings, ships, and real-world wonders since time began, and in my opinion, that's nothing short of remarkable. Part 4. Creative expression and problem solving. In this universe of building scale models, creativity knows no bounds. From designing a custom paint scheme to crafting imaginative dioramas, you're granted the freedom to express yourself and set your imagination free. The challenges you'll encounter during the process, whether it's fitting tiny parts together or devising an innovative solution to complete that stage of the build, will refine your problem-solving abilities. This becomes a playground for cultivating innovation, fostering a mindset that can be applied to any obstacle life presents. Part 5. Stress relief and mindfulness. In the midst of life's hustle and bustle, scale model building emerges as a therapeutic retreat. The The act of meticulously working with your hands, engrossed in the process, provides a serene counterbalance. This immersive experience offers a break from the chaos, allowing you to find calm and mindfulness. The rhythmic motions and focused concentration act as stress relievers, infusing a sense of tranquility into your daily routine. I can personally vouch for this benefit. In fact, it's the reason I rekindled my interest in the hobby, and I can assure you, the health advantages are real. Conclusion. Well, there you have it, friends. The tangible, real-world advantages that building scale models has to offer. From honing your focus and nurturing patience, to delving into history and understanding of how things work, along with finding solutions to problems and unleashing your creative side. These rewards extend well beyond your workspace, and it's not limited to the types of models that you build. Whether it's cars, planes, military vehicles, sci-fi, or figures, all of that is secondary. It's about the doorways to growth and fulfillment that open up beyond it. So if you're looking for a way to broaden your skill set, absorb knowledge like a sponge, or discover a stress-free retreat, I strongly encourage you to take that leap into the fascinating universe of building scale models. And for my more seasoned model builders out there watching this video, do you agree with my list of real-world transferable skills? Is there something you'd like to add? I truly value your thoughts and insights, so please take a minute and share them in the comments section below. I'd also like to challenge those seasoned model builders out there to share the hobby and your wealth of knowledge. To keep this hobby thriving, we must extend the hand of mentorship to the next generation. I've lost count of the times I've been approached in the model aisle by people, young and old, asking me for guidance. Typically they ask me, which kit should I buy, what glue should I use, what kind of paint. Whatever their question, it doesn't matter. It's a chance to spark curiosity and be a mentor and pass on that wisdom. I genuinely hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining and educational, and that you took away some food for thought to snack on throughout your week. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description below and explore the shop for some cool scale model themed swag. So until next time, friends, be safe out there and go build something.